everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the US. I am super excited to be creating with you today, and I've got these cute little treat pouch thing that I'm going to share with you. Super easy. The designer series paper I'm using today is the Picture Perfect Party 6x6 designer series paper. And I have some tear and tape, and you are going to run tear and tape along 3 of these edges. What's nice about this project is you can use any designer series paper, and because the designer series paper is double-sided, it's great. You can pick whichever pattern you want. So the side that has no adhesive, you're going to remove the backing on, well, you first want to really smush it and make sure it's on. And then you're going to use your paper piercer, and you're just going to remove the backing. And you're going to roll this over. Then you're going to remove the backing. And where the seam is, you're going to pinch that like so. Now, if you were making a sour cream container, you would then pinch it this way. But I didn't want to do that. So again, where the seam is on the bottom, I'm just going to add your stuff, whatever you want to add in there. You can use chocolates. I have some candies in here, so you can add anything. And on this one, I dressed it up with some baker's twine. You can use ribbon. You can use the baker's twine. You can punch and stamp. You can stamp and punch out a sentiment and attach it to this. It's, you know, whatever's up, you know, whatever you want to do. Super cute, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the products that I used today, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description and measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.